Okay, this is the way we can write the calculation. What's the calculation we written for the profit and losses? Go for edit it. This I'm showing that sum of profit is greater than 0. Sum of profit is greater than 0. Then we can go for write it. Okay, so if you want to display the true or false to here, just drag the profit and loss into the rows. Okay, you can see that which is the true or false. False, or these three are the false because we are getting loss, and these are all the true. Sir, can we replace this false into the loss? All the true, I want to show it a profit. So negative values, I say that loss. I want to replace the text as a false as a loss, and true, where is we have the true, that's I want to make it as a profit. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. So go for this false and true things here. These are the legends, we can call it as legends represent that true, all the trues are in green color, all the false are in red color. We call them as a legends. Right mouse on it. Okay, right mouse on it. Edit title. Sorry, click OK. Why it's getting title is edit. Edit color, format legend, show title, edit title, highlight, exclude, hide. Format legends, go for format legends. Nothing is that. Edit alias, we need edit title we getting. Assign highlight color palette and exclude hide. Sort we are getting. Edit title, show title. Format legend, edit color. Okay. For this visualization from here we don't have any option. It's not editable. So let's try from here. No. So how can we do that? So I want to make it as false as a loss and true as a profit. Okay. So can we do this way? So what are the true or condition we written it? Go for it, edit it. Okay. So can we write some if statement here? So same condition I put as a if in front of the condition. Okay. If sum of profit is greater than 0, you are saying that if condition is true, if the condition is true, then if this condition is true, then I can say that single quotations. I am writing a text that should be in single quotations. It's a profit. Okay. So else, if the condition is false, else I'm saying that in a single quotations, it's a loss. Okay. It's a loss. Go for and write the end statement. So this is also a correct statement. Okay, if you how you can write the if statement into the Tableau calculations. How you can write the if statement in the Tableau calculations. So what we do is if sum of profit is greater than 0, sum of profit is greater than 0. So this is the condition I am putting. If sum of profit is greater than 0, then if that condition is true, then first one will be executed. Profit will get displayed. Else, if the condition is false, then loss will get displayed. Then loss will get displayed. Okay. Then loss will get displayed in the statement. Apply. Okay. See that we are getting this value. Okay. Clear? Any questions? So sorry, you may ask me drag that. So here you cannot see any uh, true or false thing now. Profit or loss equal to ABC profit or loss, because we are displaying profit or loss. Just go for drag that into the labels. sorry, don't drag into labels, and drag that into the next to the rows. What we are getting? Profit and loss. Profit and loss we have. Now you can go for it here. Right mouse. Okay, this is the way we can go for bring it. So if statement, how we can write the if statement? How we can write the if statement? This is the way we can write the if statement. Yeah, sorry. So this is the way we can write the if statement. So if statement start with if condition, if, and what are the condition you want to write it? What are the condition you want to write it? You can write that sum of profit or sum of sales. What are the value and what is the? It's like greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. What are the condition you want to put it? We can go for use it and make the value. Okay, if it is 0 or 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1000 something, what are the value you want to write it? You can write it. Then if the condition is true, you can write it. Then the true statement will get executed. If the condition is false, else statement will get be executed. Okay, and each and every if statement can end with end statement. Wherever you can write the if statement, that should be ends with end statement. Okay, apply. Okay, clear how you can write the if statement? Any question? Any question? Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. Try to work on today these things. Tomorrow we can go for write multiple if statements to build a visualizations. Okay. We can check it more if statements and we can build some visualizations. Okay. What are the things you need to be practices today is you need to build these views. So how we can get it when the sales is greater than 1 lakh and less than 1 lakh, color formatting. Okay, how we can bring it. Same thing we can apply it for the values, how we can bring into the values. Okay, and you can go for using the similarly. And next, arrow symbols, arrow marks, different shapes we shown it, right? How to bring the shapes to here. Okay, that's also need to be practiced. And next, okay, leave it as it is. And what is the measure values and measure names? Okay, next you can go for write it if statement and bring this visualizations. Okay, subcategory wise profit and loss, how we can break the profit and loss, how we can write the if statements and uh, true or false statements. Okay, work on it today. Fine. Any questions? So I will share you this video recording also. If you have any questions, you can go for watch it. If you have any
Okay,
doubts.
sir.
But you need to
Okay.
be practice it. Otherwise, you can forget it. Even if you don't understand it, I will explain tomorrow also. But you need to be practice it.
Okay.
Okay. So that will be help you more. Okay. So everyone get installed the Tableau desktop, right?
Yes, yes.
So before going to be expired, so if it will be get expired by 14 days. 14 days లో ఇది ఎక్స్పైర్ అవుతుంది. నాకేం కావాలి అంటే ఐడి కార్డ్ కావాలి. ఎవరైతే కరెంట్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు మీ రిలేటివ్స్ లో కానీ ఎవరైనా కరెంట్ స్టడీయింగ్ బీటెక్ కానీ డిగ్రీ కానీ ఎంసీ ఎంబీఏ కానీ చదువుతూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళ ఐడి కార్డు నాకు ఫ్రంట్ బ్యాక్ ఫోటో తీసి పంపించండి. ఐ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఏ ప్రొడక్ట్ కీ ఫర్ ఇట్. ఒక ప్రొడక్ట్ కి నేను తీసుకురాగలుగుతాను. నాకేం కావాలంటే ఒక ఐడి కార్డ్ కావాలి. వాళ్ళు కరెంట్ స్టడీ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు. సో we submitted a Tableau give us one product key which can be help for us 1 year. So 1 year పాటు మనం Tableau desktop ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, so I need the ID card. So try to give me 2-3 ID cards so I can get it for all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you all.